Hello everyone, I'm just going to explain what I did this PowerPoint slide. Alright, so of course I just did the slideshow, I just viewed it to see what changes needed to be made. I changed the background, by going to design, going to here, changing the background styles, I used blue. Then I went here and I said, what, I'll keep the theme. So I did keep the theme, the variant. And I did that by highlighting each, well, I didn't have to highlight each slide, but I did that by changing all the slides. Then I looked at the images and I realized the images were all different sizes and they were covering the words. So I changed that too. So this is enlarged. I think this is better because it's the first slide, should be big. Changed this. I changed all the pictures to a size that fits the picture. In addition, I changed the formatting of the text. So I did this by going to home. I went to here, which is called the change case, and I used a sentence case to change this because they were like capitalization, for certain words, everything was just incorrect. So I did that. I also fixed the bullet points. So what I did was I highlighted the whole text. I went to bullets and I just, went again to bullet points and I just used one type because they were bullet forms and then they were like dash and I think that's just confusing. So now it's seamless. They're all the same. So you can see the bullet points, great. The capital letters, everything is fine. I don't seem to have a problem with that. Then, in addition, I did header and footer. You cannot see on this section, the normal section, the slide section. So I would have to go to the review. I'm going to go to notes page and you'll see. So I did as instructed. I did my name and the date for the header. For the footer, I did the professor's name and the course's number. Okay, so I'm going to go back to normal view. Then I added an animation. I did fade different types. I did animation by going to animation. And I use different ones, fly and, peek in. In addition, I forgot to mention, I didn't like the whole layout. So I changed all the layouts of the slides and I used... Sorry, I went home, I did layouts, and I did title and content for all slides. So the placeholders are all in the same spot, and then the content's all in the same spot. I then reviewed the spelling. Review, I went to the spelling. I checked everything. As it said, spell, check, complete, you're good to go. And then I saved it as the format of PowerPoint show. And I will upload to YouTube. Thank you.